Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. We got a quiet moment. The AC just shut off, and let's just hope that we can get this without the tablet shutting off and reporting this. Okay, what we have here. Earlier this year, we received several varieties. A lot of problems, yeah. Several varieties of ginger plant from Ruth's Tropical Garden. White, yellow, pink, and orange, I believe. Right now we are looking at the pink version. As you can see from the pot, there are numerous plants, and I have yet to divide this. I probably will divide it up when I pot it in the ground, but this little puppy is growing. It's about twice the size when I first received it. So you can see I was holding off on videotaping these because I wanted to get some color, but apparently color is not at the moment. So I think putting it in the ground is going to give it a chance to get a little freedom and then start producing some coloration. So for now, we're just videotaping it. I was just looking for the other one over there. That's another version. That's a white version. And I have some other ones down here. Not sure of the color, but what I'm doing is labeling these things. I have to get some more labels to keep my little plants happy, because otherwise I'll forget which ones they are. I'm thinking about putting these on the right side of the garden, a nice sunny location, because they deserve a nice location, because it looks like these things will really produce. And as you can see, there are numerous, literally several, I could say 5 up to 10 different clumps I could thin this out to. But for right now, we're just doing some videotaping, and I guess I'll try to do one of those. I'm going to set up the side over here so I can do videos and position my little tablet in such a manner that I can position it so you could follow through, and I'll just do a transplant or potting or something like that. We'll experiment. I'll have to do it a few times. I'll still do the videos, but I want to do is just show you a close-up to Mother Nature of what's looking over there, and see how they really interact, and how you can get closer, and how you can separate some of these plants, repot them, thin them out, and everything else about how growing in the Dougherty garden, and how you can get numerous plants through the Huda. Let me just see. I'm looking around. There's a helicopter floating around over here somewhere. So in the meantime, just enjoy the view. And you can see how nice and healthy this little puppy is. It complements to all the fertilizer we're putting on this puppy, and the care that Ruth's Tropical Garden has given all the plants over the years that she has given to me over the years. Thank you, Ruth. We're enjoying them over here, and I'm sharing them with the world. All right, thank you. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. All comments, anybody interested, let me know. I'm all ears. Bye-bye.